Hey, uh, so I sent this video and a lot of other assignments for you to do this week. Um, just listen to the instructions and you will be able to do it well. With this video, it shows potential and kinetic energy with my dog, and along with the Bill Nye video and the other YouTube video, you should be able to understand what that is. You are going to set up and videotape potential and kinetic energy. You're going to do 5 of each. I'd prefer if you did them outside. Go outside with your iPad and do them. It will be due on Thursday. So take the time. If you do them inside, that's fine too. But if you can have someone tape you out there or tape yourself, it'd be fantastic. Um, Use your brother and sister or your mom and dad if they can help you out. The big thing is think about what you're going to do first. Be creative. Okay. I was creative just with my dog. So you be creative with whatever you're doing as well. Okay. I'm looking for really good videos on here. This is worth 25 points, and I know you'll be able to do it well. You've got plenty of time. Okay, well, that's it. You have a great week. I'll be on here again, and I want to do some Zoom connecting too. That's where I get students onto one screen, and we can talk about whatever we're doing, and I want to learn more about that. Stan is helping me out. So, all right.